Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Wayne's World of Science and Technologies. No, I'm not walking today. I'm just sitting underneath the tree with the dog. The dog is being the dog, which means he's looking for friends and trying to find people who he can trick into petting him. But hey, that's dogs. Today I wanted to talk about infrastructure builds. All those rapid infrastructure builds you're seeing happen in a variety of places, but most especially in China. And people are going, oh my God, look how quick the Chinese can build things. Well, there's a secret to this. And I'm going to refer you to a couple of interesting cases. In World War II, the U.S., one of the Kaiser shipyard on the West Coast built a freight ship, general cargo ship, in under a day. Impressive, right? Here's the trick. It took them damn near a month of setting up to get it to the point where they could do that. What they had to do was order all the parts in ahead of time, have everything sitting there ready, all the people ready to go, and basically say, okay, here you are. And they even had some of the stuff assembled beforehand. Let's go further back. Let's go back to before World War I. Most people have heard of dreadnoughts. HMS Dreadnought was the first of a new type of ship, the all-big gun battleship that was built. It wasn't the first proposed, but was the first built. HMS Dreadnought was built in an extremely short time period. How did they do this? Easy. They cheated. They stole the turrets from two earlier ships and used them. And the guns, and a bunch of other stuff. They also ordered some things ahead of time, so that things had arrived at the shipyard just at the time that was enabled them to get the ship done. Now, you see these big, fast infrastructure projects going up in China. They announce the project, shovel goes in the ground today, and it's finished within 6 months. And you're going, wow. That's impressive. Here's the trick. They actually planned this project 4 or 5 years ago, did the initial workup on it, decided what they needed, started ordering materials, started ordering in equipment. And so as a result, when they actually announced it, they were already 2/3 the way through the project before the announcement occurred. This is how you get infrastructure built quickly. You do it by cheating. Now, can I actually prove this is happening? No, I can't. But I'd like you to just consider, if China can do it so quickly, and the U.S. could do it to merchant ships during World War II, and the British could do it to warships during World War I, or before World War I, sorry, that was 1904, 1903. What's to stop the Chinese, or anybody else for that matter, from doing all their planning ahead of time, going, oh wow, we've just decided we're going to build this, and throw it up really quick because they have all the stuff there because it was all planned out months or years in advance. Think about it. Next time you see one of these big infrastructure projects going up quickly, ask yourself, where did they get the equipment from? Where did they get the materials? How did they get it so quickly? Answer, they didn't. It was already there. Anyway, that's it for now. Have a good day, folks, and I'll be talking to you next time. Oh yeah, share, like, subscribe, and all that stuff if you like what I did, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.